All right, today we're going to be checking out this 10-inch screen that's going to modernize any car. That's right, it has CarPlay, it has cameras, it has everything that you need to get going. Let's point the camera down, see what we get, and then see how it works. All right, so here's the box. I'm going to show you everything that you get. You do get your manuals and your warranty cards. This is going to be a windshield mount, so you can hang it from the windshield. Another clip there. You have a power cord. You have a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. You have a sticky base for mounting as well. This is your rear facing camera that's going to run from the back of the car all the way to the front. All the wires are included. And inside we have the star of the show, this massive 10-inch screen. Check it out. Now earlier I did say cameras, and that's what I meant. Look at this dash cam built in to the screen right there. That's going to make it so much easier to set up and use because you don't have to wire in the second camera. It's already done. So I think what we need to do now is we're going to go ahead and then put this in the car and see what kind of results we get. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the screen itself. You can see it's a nice large high definition 10-inch screen. On the main menu here, you can see that you still have a camera view. This is from the camera that's on the back side of this screen. If you want to expand that, you can go to full screen if you want. Now you have the rear cam and the front cam. And you can just hit this button right here to switch between front, back, or both. You can take photos. You can watch videos back. It does record front and rear independently. Let's see if we come back in here. You can see right here where you can choose cameras, picture galleries, and so on. And then if you want to delete, you can select certain ones and then delete them. We'll go back out. It does also come with a memory card. And on the screen right here, you can see you have Android Auto, AirPlay, CarPlay, Miracast, and you can also use the playback and the audio out. Thus, this is for your music. You have AM, FM, CarPlay, speakers, auxiliary. And what you can do is you can plug your phone directly into a 3.5 millimeter if you want, and your sound will go through this, which in turn will go through your entire car system if you have it all hooked up. And it also connects via Bluetooth with the Android Auto and the CarPlay. You have a power button down here. You have a brightness level, which is very good for those nights whenever it starts getting dark. You can dim it down if you want to, so it's not too bright. You can control volume, and then this is your settings, where you can set your resolution, your recording time, your recordings, the gravity sensor, meaning like if the car hits something or has a sudden stop, it'll automatically save that recording. You can set up reversing lines like this, and you can have those on there if you want to, and you can actually drag them around and set them up how you want them to be for your particular vehicle. Now it does have the reversing camera, and that will come on when you put your car in reverse, but you do have to hook that red wire up to your reverse lights as a signal indicator as to when your car is in reverse. Or you can just leave it like this, like I did. For the camera in the back, it just simply plugs into here. You just run the wire from the back all the way to the front, plug it into the side. You don't have to plug anything in for the actual front camera because it's built into the unit. And then for power, all you need is to plug it into a 12-volt supply right here. And it's also going to give you this USB that you can plug into as well, so you don't lose that port. Now I will try to connect my phone to the CarPlay. So I'm going to hit CarPlay, and it gives you all the instructions on there on how to do that. And you can see that it is now displaying the GPS. I have access now to my music, my contacts, my maps. You can see everything's loading nice and easily. So it's going to be really convenient because now with this screen on, since I've connected it once, it's going to stay connected. So every time I come and get in my car, this is going to take over my phone and allow my phone to be hands-free, so I can make calls. I can hear it through the actual car stereo system itself. I can control my music. I can use Google Maps if I want to, and it's going to make life just so much easier. And you can see I have my different apps and things, which is really cool. And then I can just scroll on the screen here to all the different screens. And I can still go home to this main screen right here where I can still see my cameras and set them up. So if you're looking for a high definition, large screen to modernize any car that's got front cameras, rear cameras, it's got the backup camera, easily connects with CarPlay and Android Auto, then this could be a great option for you. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.